Hey everyone, QUEERVEE here, ready for a Paletteful Packs unboxing. This is for the month of March, and this is my first time filming with my phone, and it's like I can only see part of it, so I hope that I have everything in frame, just to let you guys know. But this is my first unboxing coming back to YouTube, so I feel like I want to look at you guys more, but no, I messed it up. I'm sorry. I thought I was prepared. Alright. So let's see what's in the box. Alright. Bam! I haven't got Paletteful Packs in so long. Oh my god, I'm so excited! Oh my god, it looks like paint! Cobra Infinite Freedom. Water Mixable Oil Color. Huh. Titanium white. Paint! I'm so excited for paint! The paintbrush. It's the paintbrush. Ooh, Robert Simmons Sapphire. That's nice. I don't know if you can like see it in the bag. I'm just gonna go ahead and open her so you can see the pretty color. Like, it's so pretty. That is really sapphire-y. Oh my god, I don't know if my phone is good. I'm so sorry. I'm trying to get used to this. Okay. It's really pretty though. It's a size 8. Alright. More paint! What color is this? Ivory black. Alright, that's white and black. That's vibes. Alright, alright. These are the colors. These are the colors. They're the colors. Oh my god, yes. Looks like it's like, you know, the normal primary colors. Oh my god, I want to open the box. How do I open it? Like normal. I'm just I'm just challenged. Oh, and they're tiny and adorable. Okay, so this is, I can't take them out. They're well packaged. Yellow ochre, okay. I would prefer a brighter yellow, but you know, that's vibes, that's vibes. Pyrrole red. I never know if it's like Pyrrole or Pyrrole. Well, it's a nice red. Infinite Freedom. I really like that they're called that. I've never heard of Cobra before. Infinite Freedom. I'm free forever and ever. Infinite Freedom. Okay, and this is Ultramarine. So that is the blue color in this primary set here. What else do we got in the box? Ooh. As per usual, there is a surface to do the painting on. Oh, my bun's here, but I don't think it's going to be able to show up in the video. Maybe I'll put like, I'll just like edit her in so you can see her. She's just like chewing on a hay mat. So cute. Okay, so that's just like, you know, a standard thing. And then there's a little, ooh, Late Night Artist Paletteful. That's a cute little sticker. I like that. That's fun. Ooh, and like a bunch of these. Actually, I wanted some of these because I've been wanting to like do acrylic paint with these. I mean, it'd be also good for oil, but. Alright. Anything else in here? Nope. Got it all. Alright. Cobra Study Solvent-Free Oil Painting. Ooh. Cobra Study always gives you splendid results with the same wonderful brush strokes and natural gloss as traditional paints. As you can thin Cobra with water, you no longer have to use solvents such as white spirit, therefore better for the environment as well as your health. That's awesome, actually. That's really dope because, like, I hate using that stuff for oil paint. I haven't oil painted in like a really long time, but it's just in a bunch of different languages. Cobra Oil Color gives you the freedom to paint everywhere. That's pretty cool because you don't have to like bring it with you. Oh, and there's like all of these, the colors. Ooh, the rose would have been really nice to get, or like one of these yellows, but that's okay. I will, like, I think the Naples yellow. I love Naples yellow in watercolor, so I'm sure I would love it in this too. But that's okay. All right, I'll accept the yellow ochre. Alright, well that's awesome. So I'm going to now open the email. of Paletteful packs and like read like more in depth of the stuff. So if you guys are not interested in that, you know, just this is basically the end for you, I guess. Hopefully all this stuff is like in the shot. But alright, so alright, this is not going to rest on the Sapphire part, but alright, so let's read what is in here. This is the link. Got the email ready this time. Okay, let's put it like over here so I'm not just like... Alright. So, Cobra Water Mixable Oil Paint. Cobra is Royal Talon's line of water mixable oil colors. Cobra is a professional oil paint with the same high quality pigments and viscosity you know and love without having to use harmful solvents, which we already learned, which is cool. These water mixable oil colors have a high degree of light fastness and under museum conditions will remain unchanged for at least 100 years. That's cool. Solvent-free water mixable oil paint gives the same result as traditional oil paint, including even brush strokes and long-lasting fade-resistant color. Cool. So the 3-color set is worth $7.99. The ivory black is worth $8.60 and the white is worth $8.60 as well. And there's like a bunch of links about the Cobra stuff. And anybody can like check out the Paletteful packs, like content, like the stuff that was in it on the website. Okay, Art Alternatives Canvas Panel 5x7. You know, I don't need to talk about that. $2.79. Robert Simmons Sapphire Filbert brushes. I do want to talk about this. Okay, the Sapphire line of brushes is designed for artists working in all mediums who love the pointing, color-holding, spring, and smooth application of natural sable, but also demand the durability associated with synthetic brushes. The handles are made of kiln-dried beechwood, and the ferrules are precision engineered in 22 karat gold plated. A unique blend of the finest Kolinsky hair and synthetic filament silvers, the unique painting experience. Each brush is handmade and carries a lifetime guarantee. $18.29. That is one expensive paintbrush. Wow. Art Alternatives Plastic Painting Knife Set. These durable molded plastic knives are an affordable choice for all artists, a safe alternative to metal knives as they are non-staining and easy to clean. The set includes one each straight, trowel, and diamond trowel palette knives, as well as narrow trowel wide angle painting knives, and that is worth $4.39. So that is the Paletteful packs box for March, and I hope you guys enjoy watching me unbox that. That was fun. Haven't done Paletteful packs in a long time, and I'm glad I got paint and oil paint. That's interesting. I haven't used that in forever, so that's actually super cool, and I like look forward to that. So yeah, and thank you guys again for joining me, and thank you to my patron Kate. Love you and love everyone here. Love all my subscribers. You guys are the best, and I hope you guys are doing great, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.